Charlie Chaplin became a king of comedy. Even though he had to overcome many struggles, he went from living in an orphanage performance as a kid on the street for a few pennies and stealing food to survive to becoming one of the most iconic stars that were born. He managed to conquer the world with a smile and inspire millions of people with his story. But you know that Charlie Chaplin had a very difficult childhood, lost in poverty and hardships. Both of his parents were in the entertainment industry. His father achieved modest success and became an alcoholic, and he was never a big part of Charlie's life. He had a better relationship with alcohol than his family, so he soon left the family. And sadly, ended up dying of alcoholism at the age of 37. His mother was a talented artist who lost her voice and was struggling to provide for her two boys. The family was so poor that they were evicted every 4 weeks because they couldn't pay rent. And sometimes Charlie slept on the park benches. They survived by stealing foods from the street stalls and visiting the soap kitchens. The boys also used to dance and perform on the street to earn a few pennies. When his mother became ill and was unable to look after her sons, she was committed to psychiatric hospital. Since then, he spent most of her life in and out of hospital. And Charlie placed in the orphanage where he would endure 18 miserable months. It was a boarding school for orphans and place with harsh discipline where they often went hungry, and it was one of the most difficult years of his life. But he soon left school determined to make it in show business. At first, he became a member of children's dancing group and worked many jobs to survive, and even though his dream was out of reach, he never gave up. I never lost sight of my ultimate aim to become an actor. So, he began performing on stage, and by the age of 19, he had become one of the most popular comedians in England. And soon, he went to the US to make it in the movie industry. One day, he dressed up in baggy pants, big shoes, small hat, and created his most famous and beloved character, the Little Tramp. That made him a worldwide icon, and thanks to his unique look and incredible talent, Charlie Chaplin became one of the most popular actors in the world. He became a superstar and even won an Oscar. He was a very wise and insightful man who said that the best thing in life is to go ahead with all your plans, with all your dreams, to embrace life and to live every day with passion, to lose and still keep the faith, and to win while being grateful. All of this because the world belongs to those who dare to go after what they want. And because life is really too short to be insignificant. So it's mean that a life is a journey that must be traveled, and it has a lot of different paths, but only path you choose, use it as your passion. Just keep moving forward. Everything you need will come at the perfect time, and at that time, your dreams will come true. And one day will come when time smiles of seeing your success. And remember that there is no success without failure. And when you focus on problems, you will have more problems. And when you focus on possibilities, you will have more opportunities. And if you believe in yourself and feel confident in yourself, you can do anything. And believe me that everything is possible. You must find the place inside yourself where nothing is impossible. So my friend, you can do anything.